You've got dinner. Agus fáilte cuaig go dtí an tanad náisiúnta Liathróid I Páirc an Corracha. It's Misha Oliver Acostaja, and welcome to the Croke Park Handball Centre. We have the first game, All-Ireland Final Masters, with Donnacha O'D and Jamie O'Donnell from Cork, representing Cork, versus the Roscommon pairing of Dennis Creighton and Sean Jennings from the Lissacoil Club. So it's going to be a nail biter. These two teams are very evenly matched, and
can you hear that now?
we're going to have a good battle.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
All-Ireland final.
Okay.
As they shake hands here,
This is the Masters.
Frank Daly is the referee.
All-Ireland final
He's
between
just
Cork, Donnacha O'D and Jamie O'Donnell, and Roscommon, Dennis Creighton and Sean Jennings. Roscommon to serve. The best of 3 games is 2 21s and a tie break to 11 if required. Okay, play ball 0-0.
So Lissacoil, Roscommon won the serve. Dennis Creighton serving that ball out, and that's first blood to Roscommon.
1 serving 0.
Dennis just getting his bearings here, bouncing that hard ball, going for the serve down the left. Awkward ball to his left hand, but he's there. And Donnacha just missed that one coming off the side wall.
Marked.
So that's 2-0 to Roscommon.
2 serving 0.
Dennis focusing on that serve down the left. Breaking off the side wall, going off the back wall. That's a good shot by Jamie. Chance for Dennis. He goes for it, but just puts it into the floor.
Side away.
Dennis wouldn't want to make a habit of him.
0 serving 2.
Donnacha to serve now. Cork are in.
Short ball.
Donnacha playing out the Ballydesmond Club, the famous club of Katrina Casey and the great Tony Healy.
Play the ball again.
So that's a replay. Frank's going to play that one
Play
again.
the ball again.
There's a bit of contact.
0 serving 2.
Donnacha just trying to get his bearings with that ball, because the hard ball can bounce anyway, can go anywhere. Big chance for Dennis. He goes for it. Jamie's there though. Now chance for Sean. He goes for it. Lovely shot by Sean Jennings.
Second hand.
Sean has his own
water
development company. If you need a well drilled, Sean is your man. He'll drill it for you and he'll find water. He's got skills. Great pick off the back ball by Dennis Creighton, which pushes Jamie back. Dennis is in there, but Jamie just floats that ball. That's a great shot. Floats that ball down the left hand side with a bit of angle. He's just caught away from Dennis. That's the thing with the hard ball. It can slip and slide. Great shot by Donnacha. Dennis is in there though. Now a chance for Dennis. He plays safe though. He puts it back out. Oh, and it hit Sean. It's not going to make it. It's Frank's. It hit the bottom of the knee. So Frank said it's not going to make it to the front wall.
2 serving 1.
2 serves 1. Chance for Dennis here. Is he going to go for it? No, he puts it down the middle. Oh, and Jamie went for it, but it just fell short.
Mark 3 serving 1.
Big serve now. That's a good serve. Chance for Dennis. Is he going to go for it this time? He went for it, but it's going in. It's going into the floor.
1 hand off.
Dennis is
3 serving 1.
He's an engineer for Leitrim County Council. Chance now for Dennis again.
Side away.
There's 3 of them now. Dennis has missed. He'll have to start finding his range.
1, serving 3. One hand off. 1 serving 3.
Awkward ball coming off the back wall. Jimmy hits that ball hard.
Mark 2. 2 serving 3.
He's hitting that ball very hard.
Shot ball.
No chance for Sean. Is he going to go for it? He does, off the corner. Lovely shot by Sean Jennings.
Side away.
He can find the bottom. He
3
can not.
serving 2.
He can't only find water. He can find the bottom of the wall too. Now a chance for Dennis. Is he going to find the bottom this time? No, he's leaving it up. Another chance for Denny.
Mark.
This is Nick
4.
and Nick.
4 serving
This
2.
hardball, this Masters final. Oh, and that's unlucky by Jamie.
Mark 5. 5 serving 2.
5-2. Oh, and it just floats in. That was a lucky one.
hand
Dennis
off.
smiles back to Sean as if to say, what happened? The ball just floated and bounced off the bottom
5
of the wall.
serving 2.
Lucky shot there for Cork. Lovely shot by Sean. That's a lovely ball floating in the bottom of the wall.
Mark 6. 6 serving 2.
He likes that shot. Just drops into the bottom of the corner. Well picked by Sean. That was a good kill by Jamie. And Jamie goes and gets the kill this time in the corner. Lovely corner kill.
Side away. 2 serving 6.
Lovely corner kill. Ball just dropped. The power went out of it and rolled off the front wall. That's the thing with the hard ball. It can bounce anywhere.
3 serving 6.
It's like a ping pong ball.
Shot
It's
ball.
a short ball. Donnick is playing out at the Ballydesmond club. As I mentioned earlier, he's a fabricator, a welder. This match can go anywhere.
Mark.
There's no one starting to take off. Cork is starting to come into this
4.
game now.
4 serving 6.
4 plays 6. Big chance for Denny. He's not finding his kill today. He hasn't found the kill yet nowadays.
Mark.
I've often seen Denny rolling them stone dead.
5. 5 serving 6.
Donica just dives. He went for the diving kill there. He was unlucky.
Okay.
It's hard
Second
to read that
hand.
hard ball.
5
Once it
serving
hits the floor, it
6.
can skip away. Good power. It's good power from Jamie. Good shot there. Lovely shot.
Mark.
Donica lets it
Together
drop low
at
and hits on
6.
the bottom of the wall. It's a lovely shot from Donica. Oh, and that's unlucky by Denny.
Mark. 7. 7 serving 6.
That's more like it. That's the Dinny I know. He usually kills them first time.
Side away.
Lovely shot. Just
6,
planted in the bottom of the wall
7.
with a bit of topspin and kept the ball down. That's the best better server now from the Roscommon pair.
Mark, together at 7.
Oh, that's unlucky by Jamie. He just went for it there and it was unfortunate.
Mark, 8. 8 serving 7.
Chance for Jamie. Jamie going hitting that ball very hard. Oh, lovely flick by Sean Jennings. He's lovely flicks off the wrist. It's a lovely shot here. Just
Mark,
flicks it in the corner with the wrist. That's a lovely
9.
shot.
9 serving 7.
That ball just got away from Dennis there.
1 hand off.
This game, Nick and Nick, there's nothing between
7
the
serving
teams.
9.
No, a chance for Denny. Down the middle. That was good power and it spun away.
10
I see our
serving
president
9.
there, Conor.
10 serving 7.
Two Conors, Conor McElduff. Having a chat there about the Worlds.
Side away.
Cork back into serve. This match is going to go down to the wire, I think.
10.
This Hardball Masters final. If you've just joined us, it's Cork versus Roscommon.
Shot
The
ball.
Masters Hardball final. It's the first match of two in today's programme. We've got the junior doubles final coming up too after this match.
One hand off. 7 serving 10.
Good serve, good pick by Sean. It's a great shot by Dennis. Jeez, great pick by Donica. Dennis going for the bottom now and gets it. Great shot.
Side away.
Sets up and
10
lets that ball drop
serving
and gets
7.
the whole body behind it. That's some of the form that won him a Masters singles title last year. Another chance for Denis. Now he's getting the range. Now he's finding his feet.
Mark, 11
Lets
serving
that ball
7.
drop and plants it in the corner. Lovely shot by Sean Jennings. He's finding range. He's finding the
Mark,
ball. He
12
can find water
serving
and he can
7.
find the bottom of the wall. Another flick down at the bottom of the wall. It's hard to beat that kind of form from Sean.
Mark,
The Roscommon and
13
Listicole pair, and they've
serving
actually
7.
showed up today and they're starting to kill the ball. I was talking to them earlier, and sometimes Sean says they don't like to show up. Whatever, it depends on what side of the bed they get
13-7.
out of. But they've shown up today. They're playing great stuff. Awkward ball dropping off the glass.
Mark, 14 serving 7.
14-7. The Roscommon Listicole pair are starting to pull away now here in this Masters Hardball final. Chance for Jenny again. He goes for the pass this time. Awkward ball down to the left corner, but Sean is there with the kit hook. Big rally here. Then he takes it off the fly into the corner. Jamie's there. Oh, and that's unlucky. That was a great rally. Best
One
rally of the
hand
match
off.
so far.
14 serving 7.
14 plays 7 here now. As Sean Jennings serves. Awkward ball coming off the glass.
Mark, 15 serving 7.
15 serving 7. Chance for Jamie, but he just put it into the floor. Was unlucky.
Mark, 16, serving 7.
Awkward ball going down to the left corner for Sean. Can he scoop it out? No, it was unfortunate. He went for the right hand.
Away.
He nearly had it.
7 serving 16.
7 plays 16 now. Can the Bally Desmond men pull this game back a bit? Because it's just going away from them at the moment. Can the fabricator welder make some good welds here? Awkward ball dropping to this. He picks it up, digs it out the side wall. Chance for Denny. He goes for the pass. Great pass shot. Lovely pass shot from Dennis. Dennis Creighton.
Hand off. Second hand. 7-16.
And they've swapped round now. They're changing tactics. Jamie's gone to the right for the serve, and Donnacha's gone back to the left. Big hard serve. He's a strong hitter. Tabulla larger Ega. Now a chance for Jamie. Goes for the kill, but Sean is in there. Now a chance for Denny. Is he going to go for it? Great pick. Another chance for Denny. He goes for the pass. That's a great pass shot. Oh, and a brilliant pick. 2 great picks. And Dennis says he didn't get it. That's good sportsmanship. A brilliant pick by Donnacha. He chased it back to the bottom of the back wall and picked it. And Dennis was in there, but Dennis says no, he didn't get it. That's good sportsmanship. Chance for Denny. Goes for the pass. Great shot by Dennis. An intelligent shot. He's seen the 2 boys coming in, the Corkmen, and
side away.
Put it around the back. Great shot.
16, serving 8.
Oh, lovely shot by Donnacha. Planted his feet and waited for that ball to come
hand
off the
off.
glass
16, 8.
and murdered it down the bottom of the wall. He murdered that ball. Great serving. That's great serving by Sean Jennings. That's 17-8 now.
17, serving 8.
The Cork pair are in big trouble now this game. Chance for Denny. He's going for it in the corner and gets it.
Mark, 18, serving 8.
18 plays 8. Donnacha taking that hard ball off the fly. It's hard done.
Play the ball again.
And Frank Eddie says play it again. Dennis just got in his way there. Donnacha's way. It was the right call. He just hindered him.
18, serving 8.
Chance for Denny. He goes for the 2-wall pass. Donnacha's back there and picks it up. Then he takes it off the fly, but just unfortunate. It just went into his body. Dennis annoyed himself for missing that.
8, serving 18.
Short ball.
Ball.
Great shot by Jamie. Took it off the fly there. He seen
9.
the mistake and he moved up off the fly.
9, serving 18.
9-18. Lovely shot by Dennis Creighton. Took it off the back wall and rolled at the side wall tight. You'd need a shovel to pick that off.
Second
off the
hand.
side wall.
9-18.
9-18. Jamie powering it down the bottom of the side wall now. They've changed
Mark,
tactics
10,
again.
10,
Now
18.
Jamie's back to the left serving. Oh, and Sean went for the corner. He was unlucky. He went for the corner again with that wrist.
Mark, 11, 11-18.
Lovely flick by Jamie. That's a lovely flick into the corner.
Mark, 12. 12-18.
Power on that ball. Down to Sean.
That was good. Mark, 13,
He's
18.
a strong player. That's Bulla Lorder.
Play ball.
He hits that ball very hard, Jamie. Awkward ball coming off the back, but Denny takes it. Chance here for Denny. Is he going to go for it? He goes for the kill. Jamie's in for it. Big rally here. Awkward ball dropping low to Jamie's left hand.
Side away. 18, serving 13.
18-13 now. The Roscommon pair hoping to get a few aces now. The chance for Denny now. Is he going to go for it? He does, but Jamie was there. Awkward ball. And Denny gets that one and floats it in the bottom of the wall. Great pick by Denny.
Mark.
Pushes that ball down the bottom of the wall.
19, serving 13.
19-13. Oh, and he lets it off to Sean there. Chance for Denny off the fly. Oh, and he was unlucky there.
Second hand, 19, 13.
His wife says, come on, Denny. Chance for Sean. He flicks it in down the right. Donika's there though. Sean going for the kill. Jamie's there though. No, big chance here for Denny. He goes for the pass. Donica gets it. Oh, unlucky.
Mark, 20.
20 possible game ball now for the Roscommon pair.
13.
Sean hoping to find more water here now. Great pick by Denny. Now, can Sean put this ball? He goes for the flick. Jamie's in there. Denny goes for it. Jamie gets it. Big rally here. Chance for Denny. Down the right. Donica's there for it. Another chance for Denny now. Donica's back. Donica's all over this court now. He's up and down. He's round. He's back in the left. He's back the right. This is a big rally here. Denny goes for the bottom of the wall. What a shot to finish that first game. He lets it drop. Puts the whole body behind it and floats it down the bottom of the wall.
In there, Dennis. Strand.
I need a break after that. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Don't go away for the second game. We'll be back shortly.
You have 2 minutes.
Back live here if you've just joined us. Roscommon have taken the first game of this Masters All-Ireland final. Donegal, the fabricator welder, is serving for the second game now. Sean takes it off the back wall and it's a lovely floating kill by Sean. Sean has found water and he keeps finding it. He's killing the ball at the bottom of the wall. Yeah, so Roscommon took the first game 21-13.
Mark.
And they'll be hoping to close out this second game as well. 1-0. Good shot by Jamie. Power.
Hand off. 1-0.
Oh, lovely shot by Sean Jennings. He's definitely found water. Look at this. He lets it drop, flicks it in the bottom of the wall and rolled the stone.
0.
The king would be proud of that one. He went for it again. He was unlucky this time. He shakes his head. He's not happy with that one.
0 serving 2.
Chance for Denny off the back wall. Jamie's in there though. Oh, good ball on the left. Now Donegal takes it off the back wall, goes for the kill and gets it. Gets his whole body behind that shot. It's a lovely setup. Watch this, he gets his angle, puts it. It's a lovely shot. Lovely setup from Donegal. Drives it down the bottom of the wall. Oh, Sean went for it with the kit hog. Was unlucky.
Together at 2.
This game was starting like the first game. It was nick and nick. And then the Roscommon parents seemed to take off. The Cork parent will be hoping to change that first game. Chance for Jamie. Now, big chance for Denny. Denny wasn't.
One hand off.
Denny goes for the power shot right into the body of Jamie.
Serving 2.
2 plays 2. Frank Daly, the referee from Dublin. Oh, and Denny was unlucky there. He went for it with the kit hog.
Mark 3 serving 2.
Lovely shot from Donegal. D gets the whole body behind that.
What are your shots,
his
Conor?
body towards the side wall and flattens it stone dead. That's a lovely shot with the hard ball.
With your left. 4 serving 2.
4 plays 2. Now Cork are up for this game now. They've taken the lead.
5 serving 2.
The bully Lord Egge. He's hitting that ball really hard, Jamie. Went for the corner kill, but just didn't come off.
2 serving 5.
2 plays 5. Powering that ball now over the short line. Dennis goes for the kill and gets it. Positively goes for that kill and floats it down the bottom of the wall.
Serving 5.
Denny's finding water now. He must have worked for Sean for a couple of years. He's finding the water.
Play the ball again.
And that's going to be a replay.
3 serving 5. Mark,
good pass
4
shot by
serving
Denny.
5.
Insurance on it, came over the top of the ball and powered it past Jamie. Oh, lovely shot by Sean Jennings. Tasha Gimmert Gama.
Together at 5.
And the two pair are together in this Hardball All-Ireland final. If you've just joined us, I'm Molly Cassidy. And oh, lovely flick in by Sean. Toshi ag immer go mach.
Hard look.
He's finding water.
Mark 6, 6 serving 5.
Chance for Dinny. No, says gonna get 2 hops. Dinny's finding water too. Dinny must have spent a few years drilling for water with Sean.
7.
Sean is
7 serving 5.
he works a lot with water, his machines for drilling, and if you need your water, and Sean's the man to get it for you. Oh, lovely shot by Dinny off the air.
Mark 8, 8 serving 5.
Oh, good ball. That's some power serving.
Mark 9, 9 serving 5.
Oh, good ball for Donegan. He digs it out. Lovely flick at the wrist by Sean. Lovely flick. Just comes over the top of the ball with that wrist and plants
Mark
it in
10,
the corner.
10 serving
She
5.
died off the side wall then. It's a lovely shot. Dennis coming over the top of the ball, and the ball kind of skips when it hits the floor then.
Mark
Lovely
11,
shot by Denny.
11 serving 5. Mark 12, 12 serving 5.
Lovely kill by Dennis. He missed the 4 or 5 kills in the first game, but he's made up for it since.
Mark
We won't mention the misses.
13
he
serving
got in the
5.
first game. Big chance here for Dennis. Oh, like he's annoyed at himself there. I give him the commentator's curse there.
13 serving 5.
13 plays 5. The Roscommon pair, and they're starting to shoot off again. Powering that ball down the bottom of the wall. It's a great shot. Dennis got his
14.
whole body behind that one. Powered it down the bottom of the wall.
5.
Great shot. The Cork lads are in big trouble here. Oh, and Sean will be annoyed himself at missing that one.
Side away.
It was a big setup.
5-14.
Oh, that's unlucky by Donegan. He had a chance to go for the kill there, but just
Second
fell short.
hand, 5-14.
Short ball. Great kill by Dinny. Goes for it off the back. Plants his feet.
14-5.
Powers that ball down the corner.
It's a good
Oh,
serve.
good serve, and that ball is a great serve. Drop deep
15.
and off the sidewall. If you're going to hit a
5.
serve and hard ball, that's the serve to hit. This one's coming out for Donegan. No, a chance for Donegan. Goes for the pass. Gets it.
One hand off. $15 serving 5.
Chance for Jamie. Goes for the power pass. But Sean is there. Can he dig it out? He digs it out and goes for the bottom. Now a big chance for Dennis. Oh, wants the cover. It's going to be a cover.
There was 3 is in the way.
Frank Daly says the 3 in the way.
15.
There's the famous Ollie Cassidy doing the commentating.
Oh.
Now there's coming
Mark,
the
16.
16-5. The Ballydesmond lads are in big trouble here.
17 serving 5.
17 serving 5. They need to do something quick. Chance for Denny. Oh, he's annoyed with himself. He's annoyed with himself for missing that one. He knows that was a big setup.
Side away. 5 serving 17.
When she
One
boot
hand
on,
off.
that's a boot on for Jamie.
5 serving 17.
Awkward ball, but Denny's in there for it. Now a big chance for Jenny. Is he going to finish it? Lovely shot. Kept his composure.
Side away.
And Denny's wife is happy with that one. That's a good shot, Denny. She said, come on.
Serving 5.
I see Denny's baby down there playing with the hardball. He's the next hardball champion.
Close.
Hitting that hardball against the glass.
5.
18-5. That's the thing with the game of hardball. If you get a serve going or a run, it's very hard to pull it back. 18-5.
Second hand, 18-5.
Chance for Denny. Goes for the pass. Is it going to come off the back wall? It does, but it comes off too fast for Donica. He was there, but that ball came off lightning speed off the glass.
19-5.
19-5 now. As Sean, the water maker, rolls the balls off his fingers now. Denny powering that ball. Oh, when he went for the kill and he was just unlucky. He shakes the head back to Sean and Sean says, come on.
5-19.
Don't put the head down now, Sean says. That's unlucky now, that's unlucky. Can Cork now come back? The Ballydesmond players, can they get a few aces to stay in this match? Anything can happen in this game of hardball if you get a good serve going. Chance for Sean. Goes for the flick. It didn't get it though. He went for the lovely flick off the left side wall to take the sting out road. He usually gets them. Oh, good ball, but Sean takes it with the kit dog. Donica going for the kill. Sean is in there for it. Two boys nearly collide, the Cork lads. Then he goes for the pass, but Jamie's there. Sean goes for that left. Now, chance for Dennis. What's he going to do? Goes for the sidewall kill. That's a great shot.
Second hand.
Great shot by Dennis. Great. The Lissa Coleman.
7.
The engineer.
19.
For Leitrim.
Oh, Lord.
Great shot, great kill by Jamie there. Cork not giving up. They're still going. They're not going to give up yet. Donegan having a quick word with Jamie, give him a few words of wisdom.
19.
Just making a plan,
19.
as Frank calls the score. 8-19. Awkward ball dropping for Dennis. Now, awkward ball for Sean, but he flicks the wrist, goes for the kill. Lovely shot by Sean Jennings. That's the best shot of the match so
19
far.
serving
Gets
8.
over down the bottom, flicks the wrist and goes for the corner kill. That's the way to play hardball. Great shot. Powering the ball there, Dennis. Dennis down, that's a lovely shot, lovely serve. Now,
Mark 20.
is this for all the
Main
marbles?
ball serving 8.
Match ball. Second hand.
Hand off, second hand.
Cork are still fighting,
20,
they're
game
still
ball,
digging it
serving
out.
8.
They're not going to give up. Lovely shot by Jamie. And that's the game, set and match. That's the game, set and match, and that's
Well done, lads.
that's the Masters
Good game.
Hardball All Ireland final. It goes to Lissacull, and they'll be delighted with that win. Coming to Roscommon.
Cheers, thanks.
And the president now, Connors. And Frank says another one bites the dust. The great Frank Daly. And the president now, our president is going to go down and say a few words.
I want to thank Cork for putting up such a great fight there, and I'm going to ask the guys to come forward for the medals. Donnacha O'Dea and Jamie O'Donnell. And now we just have the winners from Roscommon, Dennis Creighton and Sean Jennings. Well done. And just to say, there's some fabulous names on this Masters Cup, and you know, it would do us all a lot of good by actually reading through all the names since 1927 in our centenary year. It's nice to see yourselves going on this cup, so well done.
Okay, this is the Junior Doubles All-Ireland final. Serving for Cork, Gerard O'Connell and David O'Brien. Receiving for Mayo, Shane Henry and Ronan O'Malley. Okay, play ball, 2-21s, tie break to 11. 0-0.
Okay, we're live here now for the junior All-Ireland final hardball.
1.
We've Mayo, the great Shane Herity, and Ronan O'Malley.
Mark 2. 2-0.
And representing Cork, we've David O'Brien. Chance for Shane, goes for the kill offside goal. David is there. Ronan picks it off the back wall. Lovely kill off the corner. Lovely shot.
Mark 3. 3-0. Side away. 0 serving 3.
0 plays 3. Mayo win to serve. Chance for Shane. He goes for the kill down the bottom of the wall. That's a great shot by Shane Herity.
Mark 1. 1 serving 3.
Ball drop and floats it down. Sets his feet. Great shot. Lovely shot there at the Corkman.
1 hand off. 1 serving 3. Shot ball.
Shane powering that ball off the wall. Oh, chance for Ronan. What's he going to do? He goes safe. He pushed it down the left. Overhand toss. That's a lovely shot by Shane. Straight down the right.
Mark 2 serving 3.
Lovely kill by Shane Herity. Powered that ball down the bottom of the wall.
Mark, together at 3.
Together at 3. This is the makers of a great match so far. Awkward ball for David, but he scooped it out. Chance for David now. Goes for the pass. Can Shane dig it out to the back with that kit oak? He does. David sends him back into the corner again. Now, chance for Garrod with the kit oak. He hurt his hand there. I seen him waving the hand there. Big rally.
Side away.
How's David's kit?
Together at 3.
He kind of hurt his hand there when he hurt that one. He was shaking it. Big serve. Well scooped out by Ronan. Great shot, great picking. Another chance for the kick though. He goes for the pass, but Ronan's in there. This is a big rally. Now a chance for the kit oak. Goes for the kill, right corner kill. Lovely shot, left corner kill.
Mark 4.
Nothing wrong with that kit oak.
4
All his
serving
hand
3.
seems to be okay. One bad shot with this hard ball and you have a big bone bruise. So you have to be careful when you hit it. Chance for David again. Goes for the corner kill. He's lethal with that kit oak.
Mark.
Big shout out to the great John Bosco Harley. He was training for this hard ball and he was unfortunate. He was playing with Tyke O'Neill and Tyke had work commitments. He had to go to work and he couldn't
Mark
play in
6,
the championship. But
they'd
they'd be one of the hot favourites to win this junior. But but they had to pull out the last second. Great shot by Shane Herity with power.
Second hand, 6 serving 3.
Chance for David again with the kit dog. He goes for that corner. That's it. He's lethal with that kit dog. Great shot, great corner kill.
Mark, 7 serving 3.
That's a great serve.
Play the ball again.
Play it again. That's a great pick.
I think it might have gone up. 7 serving 3.
Unlucky.
Mark, 8
Garrod
8
serving
serving
that ball.
3.
Hitting that ball hard. David now, he's a good right hand too. Chance for Shane. Goes for the corner kill, but the kit dog is there. Oh, and he was unlucky. David
By
is
the way,
he works.
3
He's a construction
serving
worker.
8.
He's from Liscarroll in Cork, and Garrod is a teacher. Them teachers, they have a great time. We won't say much about that now. I'm a teacher myself.
Mark, 4.
Mayo starting
Four
to
serving
come back
8.
into this match now here. Ronan serving this ball. He's a physiotherapist
Drop
in Castlebar. Overhits that ball. He
One
double
hand
fault. He'll be annoyed with himself there now, Ronan. Shane goes in to serve.
4 serving 8.
Mayo be hoping to get a few aces back. It's a great serve. Great power by Shane Herity. Big
5
serve.
serving 8.
Lovely serve. He's putting spin on that ball too. She's kicking
6
off that
serving
glass.
8.
Great serve. Chance for Shane now. Is he going to go for the kill? He goes for it off the side wall. That's great serving and great shooting by the Hagor man.
7 serving 8. Play the ball again.
That's one thing you don't want to do in the hard ball, get hit with it. He'll have a funny queer old bruise in the
7
morning.
serving 8.
And Muir right back in this game.
Drop ball.
Right back in this match.
7 serving 8. Foul ball. Side away. 8 serving 7.
8 serving 7. David back into serve now. Chance for Shane. Power in that ball. Off the back wall. And it spun off the back wall. Shane putting great spin on that ball. And he's hitting it. He's hitting
Second
it
hand.
so hard.
8
It's like a
serving
rocket.
7. Good shot. Mark, 9. 9 serving 7.
9 plays 7.
Mark, 10. 10 serving 7.
Oh, and David missed that one now. He was unfortunate. He's annoyed with himself. He was there. He was in the area.
By the way, 7 serving 10.
Apologies there, I was getting the names mixed up. Garrod, the kit dog, is taking the ball off the back wall and goes for the corner kill. I was mixing the two Cork lads' names up there, Garrod and David. Garrod is the Kittoak, he's on the left.
Second hand, 7-10.
Apologies. Big chance for Shane here now. Goes for the corner kill, but Garrod is there. Great pass shot by the Kittoak. Great retrieving by Shane. This is a great game. Awkward ball for Ronan to get it. This game is going now. It's going to go down to the wire, I have a feeling.
Side away, 10 serving 7.
10 plays 7. Power, Garrod powering that ball, a bit of spin on it too. Great shot, but Shane is in there. Chance for David. Oh, when he missed it, he was unlucky there. Puts it into the floor. And then she boot on.
Second hand. 10 serving 7. Shot ball.
Does she get her? Oh, a chance for Garrod. He missed that setup now. He won't be happy with himself there. He'd usually plant that ball in the bottom of the wall, but it was just a hand error.
Side away. 7 serving 10. Second hand, 7 serving 10. It's 6 hands, no marks. 10 serving 7.
Okay, Garrod to serve now. Lovely kill by Shane Erity. Let that ball drop and got his whole body behind it and murdered that ball down the bottom of the wall.
7.
Great shot. Second hand, David serving now. Big shot by Garrod going for the pass. Shane is there though. David getting going for the pass shot. Shane taking the ball off the ear and gets it. Lovely kill shot off the ear. What a shot by the Hoggower man.
Side away. 7 serving 10.
Best shot of the match so far. Took it off the ear and murdered it in the bottom of the wall. Oh, what a shot by Garrod. Garrod said whatever the Muir men can do, I can do too.
Serving 10.
And quenched it in the bottom of the wall with the Kittoak. Chance for Shane again. Is he going to go for it? Goes for it with the Kittoak this time. Lovely shot by Shane. Shane Herity is playing a blinder in this game. It's awful hard to call this match. It's Nick and Nick so far.
8 serving 10.
8 serving 10. Frank Daly called it. Shane powering that ball. Powering that ball. Tabula Lord Ega. He hits that ball awful hard, Shane does.
9 versus 10.
Great serve. If you want to serve in hardball, that's the serve to do it.
Mark.
Great serve. And we're level pegging here now.
Together at 10.
Oh, and Shane went for that one. It was unlucky.
Side away.
Renisha boot
10
on.
serving 10.
That's great power by Shane. Great power, great shot.
Second hand, 10 serving 10.
Oh, unlucky, he missed that with the kit dog, Shane. Shane works
Mark,
nights
11.
in Elgin, and he works in the bar
11
during the
serving
day.
10.
He that night shift, he had to take it off to play these matches a weekend. He usually works night shifts a weekend, but it's not affecting him, the night shift. Oh, good ball for Garrod, but he digs it out. Garrod he's annoyed at himself there. He knows he could have got that one.
Side away. Ten serving 11.
Power on that ball now, David. Now the construction is coming out in
Second hand, 10
in
serving
David.
11.
Now he's powering that ball on the wall. The construction work is paying off. Oh, Shane Rinnish a boot on.
Foul serve.
The foul serve.
10 serving 11.
Unlucky.
Together at 11.
And it's neck and neck again, together at 11.
Side away.
This is anyone's game, this first game. If you've just
Together
joined
at
us,
11.
we've got Mayo Perrin versus Cork in the junior All-Ireland final hardball. Great shot by David as he takes the ball off the fly there.
Mark 12.
Lovely shot with the side arm.
12 serving 11.
It's so hard to call this match. It's neck and neck all the way. Oh, great power. Great power by Shane Herity. The hog our man.
Second hand. 12 serving 11.
Oh, Rinnish Bula. Bula more.
Mark 13 serving 11.
But David really hitting that ball. The Cork pair now trying to keep the Mayo boys back. Garrod winding up with that kit dog. Oh, good ball for Shane to dig out, but he digs it out. Big rally here. Oh, Rinnish boot on. Mistake by Shane.
Mark 14 serving 11. Shot ball.
Toshigar, Harish. Anish, rather.
Foul serve.
Rinnish boot
Side
on.
away. 11-14.
He hit a double faulted. David will be annoyed with himself for that. big rally here. Chance for Shane now. He's putting the body behind it. He goes for the power shot down on top of David, and it worked. He's really hitting that ball here, Shane, when he gets a chance. Unlucky there, Shane.
One hand off.
Threw a hand at it, and then Ronan threw a hand at it. It was unlucky.
12 serving 14.
Oh, the Kito. That's a lovely shot from Garrod. Wind up, lets the ball drop
Side
nice
away.
and low, and goes for the cross corner kill. Lovely
14 serving 12.
shot. That's the teacher using the brain, the angles. I wonder is it maths he teaches. Lovely flick in, but Shane is there. But it's the back walls. Oh, good ball. Oh, unlucky. Unlucky. That hard ball is like a ping pong ball. It can go anywhere.
One hand off. 14 12.
Oh, good ball for Ronan. He digs it out, but he was unlucky. David
15
powering that ball.
serving 12.
All that carrying the bucket and spade and the buildings is starting to pay off. He's powering that ball on at the wall. Great shot by Lloyd. It just dropped awkwardly. He was in the area, but it just dropped short.
Side away. 12 serving 15.
The Kito coming over to get it. Oh, and he was unlucky. Really shaped boots on.
13 serving 15.
Toshi Anto Paul. Garrett is very quick in it. He's very quick. Great fly shot by Shane. Great shot by Shane. Took it off the air.
Mark 14
She came off at a
serving
bad angle.
15.
For David. Ronan now to serve the physio. From Kesselbar. That's a good serve. If you want to serve in hardball, that's the serve to give. Breaking off the sidewall, the right sidewall.
Mark.
You'd want a good shovel to dig
Together
that one
at
out.
15.
And it's together at 15, so hard to call it. There's the great Fiona Tully in the audience. She's the world's open doubles champion.
Mark 16
Ladies doubles.
serving 15. Mark
Mayo starting to take the lead here now.
(17) 15.
Chance for Ronan. David is there. Big rally here. The Kito comes in. It's an awkward ball for Ronan, but he digs it out. And David goes for the fly, but Shane is back there with the Kito. Now, what's he going to do here? Goes for the pass down the middle. Ronan digs it back up. Oh, big power shot. Big. Carrying that shovel paid off. He's starting to power that ball now.
17 15.
This is neck and neck, this first game. It can go anywhere. Shane going for the kill. Awkward ball for Garrett off the sidewall, but he gets it. Shane calls for it. He said, right, my ball. Big shot by Shane. Went for the kill. Rolled it. Well, not rolled it, but sliced it. Down. A good pass shot down the right.
18
And she spun away from
15.
Garrett.
Hook J,
1950, 18-15 here. Big chance for the Mayo pair now to close out this first game. Go for it, he goes for it. That's a great shot by Kill. A serve and Kill. Puts the whole body behind it and smashes that ball, quenches that ball in the bottom of the wall.
19, serving 15.
There's the Masters doubles pair. They're happy men from Melissa Cull, Dennis Creighton and Sean Jennings. They won the Masters there. Got their name in the cup. Great shot. Great shot by David, or Garrod rather.
Side away.
The
15.
Cork boys aren't finished yet. 15-19. Anything can happen in this first game of hardball. Shane crosses over, takes that ball, calls for it. Big rally here, very important rally here. Cork need to get on the scoreboard. Now, what's the Kiddo going to do here with this one? Awkward ball for Shane off the back wall, but and it hits.
Play the ball again.
It's contact, and the Frank Daly, the referee, says play that ball again.
Check the ball.
Check the ball.
15, serving 19. Check the ball. Still 15, serving 19. Short ball.
Short ball. Tashigyar, Anish.
One foul.
Great pick there by Ronan. Oh, and that's called. He called it down against himself.
Mark. 16, serving 19. Check the ball. 16, 19.
16-19 now. Garrod spinning that ball off his hand here, and Shane went for the fly kill and he hurt his hand a small bit there going for that
Mark.
one.
17, 19.
Hopefully he's not bone bruised. One miss hit from that hard ball and you have a big bruise. Garrod going for the kill and misses that one. That was a crucial ball, but he'll be annoyed at himself for that now.
The right thing to do. Second hand, 17, 19.
17 plays 19. Awkward ball.
Great
If you're
serve.
going to serve a hard ball like that, that's the way to
Mark,
serve it. It's a
18,
great serve.
serving
And
19.
a crucial time of the match to get a crotch serve. Shane going over to take it. Awkward ball dropping off the corner, but Shane digs it out. Chance for the kid dog. What's he going to do? He goes for the pass, but Shane is in there. Oh, and David on the right went for the
Side
fly
away.
kill, and he's annoyed himself for missing that. That could have cost him the match. The two Mayo lads are back into serve and they've two hands.
Serving 18.
Can they close it out now at 19-18? Oh, second hand.
One hand off. Second
This is
hand.
this is a
19,
nail biter of a
18.
first game. Big serve, big return. Dive and kill, dive and shot. Garrod is in there for the. He taps in the corner. That's a genius shot.
Great
a
shot.
genius shot by Garrod. He kept the cool. Great composure. And the Cork boys are back into serve. This match is by no means over.
Side away.
The crowd
18,
really enjoying that
serving
shot.
19.
Lovely shot. Lovely shot by the Cork man. Tá clicking Mike here. Awkward ball off the back wall for Shane, but he digs it out. David takes the ball off the fly. Great shot by Shane, and he powers it down at the bottom of the wall. Great shot. This is a great
One
match.
hand off.
Great first
18,
game for the junior All-Ireland final.
19.
Big serve here. Now what's the Kiddo going to do? He goes for the pass. That's an awkward ball. Great shot by the Kiddo. Great dug out by Shane Herity. Goes for the pass. Ronan gets it back. This is a big rally here. Big shot coming. Lovely pass shot by the Corkmen, and they're back into serve.
Mark.
What a game of handball.
Together
What a
at
first
19.
game. And they're level peggings. Big serve. Shane takes it off the back wall awkwardly, but gets it back. Now a chance for Shane off the back wall. What's he going to do with it? Oh, and he hits.
Check the ball.
He hits David on the right, and is it going to be a replay? I think Frank gives it a replay. Sometimes when the ball doesn't make the front wall, if he doesn't think it's going to make the front wall, it's going to be, it's going to be a play over.
19 serving 19.
19-19. Who's going to take this first game? Junior All-Ireland final hardball doubles. Big chance here for David. Now it's a chance for Shane with the Kitog. Powers that ball down top of David. Awkward ball. Oh, and Shane missed that one. He was annoyed himself for missing that one. It's not like him to miss that, but
Game ball.
it's a tough
Game
match.
ball
It's a
serving
tough match now.
19.
2019 game ball to the Corkmen. Oh, and it's the time. Such a
First
time to
save.
pull out the crotch serve. If you want to do it, that's the time to do it.
Just leave
I'm
the
going
ball
for
in
a
there,
cup on
lads.
tea, and I'll be back in a couple of
game of
no
handball.
minutes. So don't go away. Back live here now. We're after a cracker of a first game. Mayo lost the first
Mayo
one 21-19,
0-0.
but it was a brilliant game of hardball. It's the way hardball should be played.
Short ball.
Shane hitting that ball now. Shane Herity, the Allegan worker, the night shift worker, and the barman.
0-0.
Great shot off
Side
the
away.
air. That's a lovely shot by David, the construction worker. From Liscarroll. Now, Garrow with the
0-0.
teacher is in to serve. From Mallow, Cork. And he's Kittoag. Lovely shot by the Kittoag.
Mark 1-0. Hand off.
That's going to be a handoff. The ball went over the barrier of the court,
Still
hit the
1-0.
ceiling. It's going to be a handoff. Oh, good serve there.
Mark.
Hitting tight to the sidewall.
2-0.
Hard serve to get back. And Garrow tried the little flick with the Kittoag, but
Side
just
away.
didn't work out. It fell short.
0-2.
Shane to serve now.
Short ball.
Good shot by Garrow. He was kind of half blocked by Shane, but he got around him and went for the pass.
0-2.
And it skipped off the floor as Ronan was trying to get it. Unlucky there, unlucky.
1 serving 2.
Shane going with the left hand now. Awkward ball to take off the back wall, but Garrow's there and Shane gets it with the Kittoag.
I think it was good. 2-2.
There's the cameraman, the president, and the goat of one wall, Conor McElduff. David taking that ball off the fly there. I don't know how he does it with the hard ball. The old hard ball,
Side
if you took
away.
it off the fly, you'd break your hand.
2 serving 2.
That's the construction. The hands are seasoned. Oh, and that's a boot on.
One hand
Initiate
off.
boot on by Garrod. He'd be annoyed with missing that one. He hit the ball into the floor. And that's going to be a handout. Good power there by Garrod,
3.
the Kittoag.
3 serving 2.
3 plays 2. Good power serve there
4.
by David.
4 serving 2.
There's the great commentator himself, the one and only, Ollie Casti. Big chance here for David. Goes for the power pass. Ronan got a hand to it, but it just didn't make the front wall.
5. 5 serving 2.
Big rally here. Garrod going for the fly, but missed it. He had a big opportunity there, but just missed it.
Side away 2, serving 5.
Shane going for the kill, but just went into the floor.
One hand off. 2, 5.
On Talav. The kid dog was there, Ronan's in for it. Big rally here. Goes for the kill, but Ronan, it just died off the sidewall. It was hard to get in for it.
Side away. 5, serving 2.
Shane going for the fly corner kill there, but
6,
it just didn't work
serving
out.
2.
6 playing 2. Cork starting to put aces on the board now. And that's going to be a mark. It went out to the court.
Mark 7. Once it hits the wood, it's out. And that's for the side as well.
Frank explained to the boys, once it hits the wood, it's out. It's over
7, serving 2.
the limit of the court. The height restriction. It's like hitting the roof. Of course, the roof can't be played in the 6x30 court, unlike the 40x20.
8, serving 2.
The teacher going for the pass shot. Big chance here now for the corner kill. He gets it. He caught Ronan. Ronan was retrieving the
9,
ball
serving
back
2.
50 foot, and he seen him outside him, and he went for the corner kill. And lovely
Shane.
shot.
Shane.
Give
Give him a little bit more space.
Clicking Mac here.
You're standing, okay. It's fractional, but just give him a bit more space.
Frank now just warning
9,
them to make a
2.
bit of space for each other.
Mark 10.
Oh, and that's unlucky by the Cork man. A good shot by Shane.
One hand off. 10, serving 2.
Lovely sidearm kill by Garrod. That's the kit dog again.
Mark 11. 11, 2.
Awkward ball breaking off the sidewall. It dropped. It's hard to
Mark
dig them out.
12,
You want a good
12,
shovel to get them.
2.
And the kit dog going for the cross court kill again.
Mark.
That's the teacher again for you, using the brain.
2.
Chance here for Shane now. Oh, he was unlucky there.
Mark, 14. 14 serving 2. Mark, 15. 15 serving 2.
15-2. Cork now Tashi Gimrush Gama. They're playing great stuff. Lovely backhanded back wall shot by Shane there as it bounced awkwardly off the back wall. That ball is going out and he's annoyed himself. I don't know how he hits that ball off the fly with the hand.
2 serving 15.
2 plays 15 now. Can Mayo put a few scores back on the board and cause a Cligga rate a tiebreaker? That's a good start. 3-15.
Mark, 3. 3-15.
Chance for Shane now. Well dug out by Ronan. Hito going for the pass, but Shane is there. Now a chance for Garrod. Goes for the shot down the middle, and a great shot by Shane. Goes for the corner kill.
Mark, 4. 4 serving 15.
4 plays 15. Great power serve coming off the back wall, and how Garrett got that one back, but he got it back off the fly now. Oh, it would have been a nice shot, but he just boots on,
Hand
presents
off.
the floor.
One hand out. 4 serving 15.
Great pass shot by Shane. Lovely shot.
Mark,
Just waited for the ball
5.
to drop and just sliced
5
it.
serving
Great pass
15.
shot down the sidewall. Kittock went in there a while, but it's going to make it. Shane goes, oh Jesus, but he gets it. Jesus helped him.
Your ball.
The crowd enjoying that one.
6 serving 15.
Renishe boot on into the floor on Orlar.
Side away 15-6.
15-6.
Foul serve. 15-6. Second hand, 15-6.
Good power serve there by David. That's the way to hit the hard ball.
Mark, 16-6.
Cork playing now with confidence after taking that tight first game. Now a chance for Shane. Goes for the pass. Great shot by Shane. Powers that ball. Lets that ball drop and powers it down
Side
the
away.
bottom of the wall. Great shot.
Six, serving 16.
Now, can Mayo get a few scores on the board? Great serve. Now, big chance here for Shane. Goes for the pass, it's looking good. That's a great pass shot. Broke off the sidewall and bounced awkwardly off the back wall.
7 serving 16.
Diving, shot. Diving.
Great shot.
That's a great get by Shane, but that was the worst of diving. You're down on the floor and
Second
the
hand.
Corkman, David, caught him with a pass shot then.
Seven serving 16.
Awkward ball, good serve by Ronan. It's a good time
Mark,
to pull out a good
8
serve like
serving
that.
16.
Chance for Shane, he's in there. Garrett is there. Big rally here now. Oh, awkward ball for Ronan. And Shane caught it because it wasn't going to make the front wall.
Side away. 16 serving 8.
Now, chance for the Kid Dog. The Moonshore again. Goes for the corner kill. That's a great shot.
17
It's hard to get them
serving
corner kills
8.
because there's an angle on it. When that hard ball hits the corner, it goes off. It shoots off at an angle. Oh, I don't know how David hits that ball off the fly.
17
Hardened
8.
hands from the construction work. Chance for the Kid Dog again. He goes for it, but he says down. That's good, fair play. It's Imor and Spórt
8
only.
serving 17.
Good sportsmanship. Great shot by Shane. Comes over the top of the ball and forces that ball
9
down.
serving 17.
Great shot. Off the shoulder.
Second hand, 9 17.
9 plays 17 now. Ronan just getting his beard now before he serves that.
Gone, out.
And Frank says
Hand
no,
off.
it's over the top of the wall. Frank says
Hit
no.
the lip and went up. Well, I saw it doing it, so I can only call it as I see it. 17 9.
Lovely shot. He took it the last second. There was a bit of hidden and Ronan left it to him, and Shane got it the last second and
17
put it
9.
down. A bit of luck involved there, but the Mayo boys will take it. Awkward ball for Ronan. Well dug out. And David powering that ball down top of Shane there. Hard to
18
retrieve that hard ball when she's
9.
travelling that fast. Big chance for the Kid Dog again. He goes for the pass. Oh, good ball.
You played it. If you had called it, no, but if he had called it, I would have given it. You played it, okay?
Ronan looking for the cover there, but he,
What? You didn't. You ran into him. You left it off to him.
they were looking for the cover
19.
there, but Frank said if you
19,
called it, I'd
9.
have given it to you. Good power pass there by Shane, but Garrod was there. Oh, it was a big chance by
Side away.
David, but he rushed it. He was there. He was going to give it the big 360. Such a loosener, but
19.
he missed it. Great serve by Shane. Great dig out by Garrod. And Shane going for the kill then.
Ooh.
Good serve, Shane.
Mark, 10.
Garrod
10,
to
19.
want to get a hand to it. Lovely kill shot by Shane,
Not
but
up.
David is in there, but Frank Daly said not up.
Mark, 11, 19.
Big power serve by Shane. Big chance now. Is he going to go for it? He does, but Garrod is there. Oh, the Moonshore tried the cute one in the corner. Tá Cliggin Mac here.
12, 19.
He's clever. Is Mayo going to come back now and cause a Cligga realty? Tiebreaker. Anything can happen in this game of hardball. Chance for the Kitog. He goes for the pass and beats the two Mayo men. A great shot by the Kitog.
One hand out.
Goes for the pass down the right. Lovely shot. Winds up and passes one man.
12,
Passes two men.
19.
Great shot. Bit of spin in that ball too.
Play the ball again.
Frank says play it again.
He didn't
David
see
just
it.
got in his way, ran across Ronan's path.
12, 19.
12 plays 19. Mayo would be hoping now to get a bit closer. And lovely touch. Oh, that was a lovely touch by David. That's a lovely touch. Just dropped it into the corner and she ran out of petrol.
Side away.
Lovely shot.
19, 12.
Awkward ball off the back wall, but Shane digs it out. Oh, it would have been nice, but Shane took it off the air and she just ran,
Mark.
just died off the corner.
20. Game ball, serving.
This could
12.
be it. This could be for all the marbles. Garrod, the Moonshore winding up the serve. Shane gets it back. Oh, and
Side
David
away.
just stuck
Oh,
out
sorry,
the left
one hand
paw
off.
and missed it. He's another
Game
chance
ball,
at it though.
serving 12.
Match ball. Here we go. Awkward ball dropping for Ronan. Chance now for Garrod. Another big chance for. Is he going to go for it? He goes for the corner. Shane is in there, dives, but misses. And that's the junior title going to Cork. Cork are the junior champions. That's a big
Well
win.
done, lads.
Big win for Cork. Great game, a great first game, great game of hardball.
Close up that ball, Liv.
Great game of hardball today as the President Connor goes down to present the cup. That was a great match, great to watch.
Just so you
Very
know for
good game
future
of
reference.
hardball.
The rule is, if you play the shot, you don't get it back, okay?
Frank just
If you
explaining
hadn't
this.
played that shot, you would have got
If
it
you
back.
play the
okay?
shot, it's.
Okay, well done, lads.
But we're going now and get the medals with our
The only
with our
club
president,
behind.
and I hope you enjoyed the commentary. And we'll just wait for the president now, Connor, to give out the medals here. The junior runners-up medals, he's getting them ready, and the junior cup, and he'll say a few words. Frank says, "Over to you, Connor."
Yeah, once again, thanks very, very much, Frank Daly, for consistently reffing these games here at the National Handball Centre. Well done, Frank. And once again, I'd like to thank our sponsor, O'Mara Gloves. It's great to have a sponsor like O'Mara sponsoring the traditional game of hardball here at the National Handball Centre. This was a great advertisement for the game of hardball in the first game there in the junior doubles final. I mean, it went 21-19, you know, rallies, you know, every type of shot possible, kill shots from the back of the court, great retrieval balls, and it was so exciting to watch. Like, I mean, that's what we need in the game of hardball. 4 guys actually going at it, hell for leather, to put a pun on the leather ball there. But it was a great game, great advertisement. I know in the second game there, Cork, they edged in front and just continuously grew in confidence. And unfortunately for Mayo, it just wasn't to be there. But I'm going to just call forward there. I just want to thank Stephen Markin as well for doing a great job on the photography, and Mac AV there for streaming. And you can watch the games live on Spórt TG Car YouTube. So now I'm just going to call forward the runners-up for Mayo, Shane Herty and Ronan O'Malley. And now we just present the cup and the winners' medals to Cork, Garrod O'Connell and David O'Brien. Well done, lads. There's the fine cup there for you to look at during the year, and well deserved and well won, guys. But just if you'd like to say a few words there, please. And then we'll do the presentation.
First of all, thank God for this weekend. It's great having Hardball back for another year. Just first to our opponents today, we met each other in the group stages and he gave us a fight. He beat us well, and we knew today was going to be a close game. We knew it to be very good to beat you. So hopefully he'll be back next year and give another crack, and hopefully you do one better. Couple of folk last hooked. TG Cahir, Tommy Mila Buikas, Asta over everyone that works, Tashi over on Nadine, and they've already done tremendous numbers, as we all know from the World Championships. So they're definitely putting us on a map and definitely going in the game. So thanks to TG Car and also Cork Park for hosting this final. And also everyone that was involved in organising this commentary, the referee, and also President. Me personally, I've major respect for the President, because Conor himself and everyone that has been present, they've always been ever present to all these finals and all these occasions. So yeah, thanks for all your work. And also, just since it's the centenary year, it's a pleasure to be able to play in front of Cork Park. And just remember all the people over the last 100 years that have worked for GA Handball, and past and present. Just remember all these people for all their work over the last 100 years. So thanks everyone again.
Well, that's it from us. Hope you enjoyed the Handball All-Ireland finals. We'll see you again soon.